right, we're here with Neakasa. They have a new product called the Magic 1 Vacuum Steamer. Raymond, tell us all about it. What does it do?
Right, okay. Now, I just turned on a steamer. I don't know if you guys use steamer or iron at home. Do you use steamer or iron?
We use the iron.
Do you use the iron? Okay.
Yeah.
Some people like iron because it does the job properly, but it takes a lot of time to set up properly, right? And then, it's a lot of hassle. So a lot of people are using steamer. The problem with the steamer, now you have the steaming function on. That's our latest Magic 1 steamer. So the problem with the steamer is very hard to use. You see, you have to make sure if a clothes is fully stretched, then you do the steaming part. But you have to chase your clothes all the time in order to do your job properly, right? So we were thinking, can we make something have the advantage of iron and a steamer? So we invented this Magic 1 M1 steamer. So if you press this button, the magic happens. Now I don't know if you can hear it. So the vacuum is on. So now when you steam it, did you see? I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. So basically, it sucks the clothes right on top of the steamer. Then all you need to do is use one hand and slowly slide it down. That's how great it is.
So there's some vacuum technology inside of this. Is that the Airlawn technology? What is that?
Yeah, it's called. We created a term. It's called air iron.
Air iron technology. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, you use the air to create an iron board, right?
Wow.
Look.
Okay.
And
so all you really need to do is one time. You don't have to just literally put the heat over it multiple times. You just literally just go one time down.
Yeah, pretty much. And then because, the suction power, can you see that? It does the job properly.
Yeah.
It's very easy to use. You can use one hand. With the hanger, even the little collar, the sleeve is hard, right? All you need to do is this.
Nice. Okay. So why would somebody want to use this product over a regular steamer versus an iron?
Yeah, I just said because a steamer, it's so light, and you don't need a board, right? Yeah.
All right. So look into this camera. Tell people why they should look at the Neakasa Magic 1 Vacuum Steamer.
Well, it is so lightweight. It's very easy to take with you. Look at the size, and you want to fill up water. It's very easy. That's the cartridge. Right? We'll call it the cartridge.
Now, where can they find it?
You can find it on Neakasa.com or Amazon right now because that's latest for CES. It was launched literally yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much does it cost? Because people are going to say, I like this, it's portable, but how much does it cost?
Yeah, look at the quality and everything. It's right now, the MSRP is $149.99, but we're offering a $20 coupon for CES, so you can just get it for $129.99.
So it's better than the iron and even faster than the steamer.
For sure.
It's the Neakasa Magic 1 Vacuum Steamer. Thank you so much, Raymond.
Thank you, Top Boy.